Morning everyone from a very bright and sunny Cardiff, South Wales, Great Britain. We don't get a lot of hot sunny days here in Cardiff, so I'm really enjoying this, and it put me in the mood to do something really bright and fresh and just get out some stuff and have some crafting fun. So I thought I'd put the video on and show you what I achieved this morning. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Ceri. If you go on to Facebook, if you look up at Ceri the Crafter, you'll find me. I would love you to like the page. I do lots of stuff like this. I'll be doing more as the time goes on. If you're someone who's interested in buying digital downloads for your journaling, your crafting, for paper crafting, whatever you're doing, I do have digital downloads in my Etsy shop. And guess what? It's also called Ceri the Crafter. I like to keep things simple. So what have I been using this morning? So let me reach up and grab that. I've been using my Speedball brayer. Really love this brayer. It's a nice firm roller, good in my hand. It's not a flimsy grip. A nice smooth rolling action. I can't remember where I got this one from, but it was a really good investment and I love it. The Gelli Plate I use is this one. This one is 5 by 7 inches and 12.7 by 17.78 centimeters. For me, I'm beginning to get a little frustrated with this one. I've had it for a while now and I'm finding it's just not big enough. So I think I'm going to be investing maybe in the 14 by 14, because then I can do whole A4 spreads and possibly bigger. I mean, obviously if it's 14 by 14, I can do by 12 by 12 backgrounds, which would be fabulous. I also might in the future invest in, I'm not sure whether it's Ranger. It might be Ranger or Diane Reevely. They do a set of 3, so they do a round one, a long rectangular one, and a square one. I might also invest in one of those because I love doing my jelly printing, and this one just isn't doing it for me anymore. I want bigger. I want to go bigger, guys. Okay, and what else have I been using? I've been using just acrylic paints. Okay, this is my stash of acrylic paints, guys. I don't favour any one particular brand. I would love to favour a particular brand, but to be honest, I buy what I can, where I can. Even some of these are even from like our pound store or dollar store. So they all work. I try to go with a more liquid acrylic than a firmer acrylic. If it's a firmer acrylic, you just need to brayer it a little bit more. So first of all, let's talk about this. This was just the thing I was actually working on this morning, making the background tags I wanted to do. And I thought, you know, I really love this. I'm not going to keep on using this for something else. I might turn this into a background for a bit of mixed media. Loved this. Another thing that was a side effect of me actually doing it is I have this, which I call my cleanup book. As you can see, I just add pages when I need. And all I do with this one is I clean up my, let's turn it this way so you can see whole pages. There you go. I use this just to clean up my brayer or clean up the Gelli Plate if I'm changing colours to something else. But I'm really loving these. I mean, this is giving me some other backgrounds as well. So love this. This gives you a bit of a hint of what I've been playing with this morning. So these in themselves could then be cut up into tags. They could be made into other things. I could make them in backgrounds. I could put them into my art journal. But I never waste paint, never waste ink, guys. It's not something I want to do when I've got the advantage of just using it up. So what was I actually making? I was making some of these. Now, absolutely love these. I tried to stay with my colour families of warms or cools. I tended to stay with only 3 colours, and once I'd done the 3 colours, the only one I might add as an addition is I might put a touch of white on it if I'm thinking the whole thing is looking slightly heavy. So loving these. I love that green one, but tried to do some colour groups that I wouldn't normally have done. Love the drama in this one. Absolutely love this. Can't wait to use that. Again, that was a bit more of the white added because it was getting too dark and intense for me, and I wanted a more delicate look to it. Loving that colour combination. Absolutely love these. Now I might actually, before I start working with these, I might scan them in and make them into a digital file for you guys, but I'm not sure because I really like these and I might want to keep them for myself. I might in the future also do a video on how I create these in the first place. That might be something I can share with you. The card I'm using, or the paper stock, it's out of Diane Reevely's art journal. Whenever I buy a new art journal, she does advise taking probably between 8 and 10 pages out to allow room for expansion. And what I do is I turn them into card, and they're wonderful cardstock for doing this sort of stuff on and ink work. There you go. I really love that too. So there you go. So that's what I've been doing this morning. That lot took me about 20 minutes. Oh, look, I could get a job in Vegas as a dealer. Maybe not. Me and my fumble fingers is probably not going to be a successful job. I love doing these, guys. They're great fun. As I said, I might turn them into digitals for my digital downloads in my Etsy shop, or I might do a video in the future showing you how I create them, or you never know, I might do both of them. So, hope you had fun with that, guys. As I said, it was Gelli Plate printing. There are plenty of YouTubes out there. If you just want to look it up, there are lots and lots of clever techniques. So this is Ceri the Crafter just signing off. Have fun, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.